Yes, Doctor.
So with that scenario, my Lord, an independent observer, a fair-minded, reasonable person would definitely conclude that one cannot be impartial. It's the reason, my Lord, the proceedings of this nature are structured in such a way that they are assessors. These ones, they are not lawyers. They are laymen. These three assessors. They are ordinary people picked from downtown. So how do they perceive that situation, my Lord? That's what is a vision under the law. That will you be fair and just in deciding the fate of their chosen persons? When actually they are putting this
go to the point whether the matter should be referred to.
Yes, my Lord, that's where I'm headed. That's where I'm headed, my Lord. This is the matter.
Was going to the question whether this matter should be referred.
My Lord, that reinforces my submission that the court cannot be fair.
That's okay, but
that reinforces my submission. These are the new issues, my Lord.
The issue before court raised and framed and proposed by Mr. Kaipaya. It's the one I want to guide court.
My Lord, that is the spirit and the letter of Article 28. Article 28 of the Constitution. Read together with Article 44, which is a non-revocable right. This is the issue to be now interpreted by the Constitutional Court, my Lord. Whether indeed there is a likelihood of bias on your part under the circumstances. This is a matter to be interpreted. Not that actually you are biased. Let's distinguish that. Not that you have demonstrated actual bias, but is there a likelihood of bias on your part under the circumstances? That's the point that was made, and the point I'm emphasizing now. And this is what is envisaged under Article 28, when the Constitution talks about an impartial judge or court. It's about perception. That's the point I was emphasizing now. And that cannot be determined by this ordinary court, because that's what the state was seeking, that you pronounce yourself on this matter, that whether there will be a likelihood of bias or not. It's not up to you, my Lord, now to sit in your own matter. So, my Lord, it's our prayer that you put all these matters in consideration and forward the matter to the Constitutional Court. The issue as to whether this court has received, or actually the state has received, a copy of the complaint or not, has been subsequently addressed and answered by Counsel. But I will add one thing, my Lord. So on record, my Lord, in the course of the hearing of this matter, when the matter was being raised by A1 himself, attempts were made to supply with a copy of that. The accused person, Dr. Besigye, volunteered to submit his own copy. And court said no. Court declined that no. Please retain your copy. There are mechanisms court will use to get its own copy. The state was interested in it, but it was available. But they never expressed interest in it. So we retain a copy. But the fact is, my lord, what is not in dispute is that there is a complaint before the Judicial Service Commission. I mean, the Judicial Service Commission. It's not in dispute. And indeed, from the record, court indicated that that matter is in existence. Court is aware of the existence of it. It's no longer in, it's not in dispute at all. Finally, my lord, the option is talking about we have to file a substantive petition. Cannot be used as a bar for this court to invoke its powers to refer this question to the Constitutional Court. In the wisdom of the who promulgated the Constitution, under Article 137, these options were considered to be necessary to be enshrined in the Constitution. So all these imperatives were put into consideration when they were promulgating the Constitution, under which circumstances you invoke which particular provision. So in this particular case, Clause 5 of Act 137 is the most appropriate when a matter has arisen in the course of the proceedings. What do? You seek for an adjournment to file a petition? No. The reasonable thing to do under those circumstances is to move the trial judge to forward that question for consideration by the Constitutional Court, which we are doing. So we reiterate our prayer, my do so.